Today we talk about how can you enable stock alerts notifications on your Asos app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, you just click here on app settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here and you go down. Then you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to stock alerts and you click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us, that means stock alerts enable it with us now for notifications. So when you want to leave, you just click here on save and exit. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.